Hello and welcome to another episode of Beyond the Box Art. We are showing off some Signum minis, some Signum Games minis that we've painted in the past, and just really just to show, you know, what I've been able to do with them. This is my first attempt at Sky Earth non-metallic that I did with these guys. And these are the Plague Doctors. A League of Plague Doctors. I got a finalist pin at Salute's 50th anniversary with this big boy that's rocking back and forth a little bit. He got a 50th in the big model category. I know I was competing against the likes of Mamikon and other such amazing painters were at the venue, so to get a finalist pin, the 50th salute with him was really nice. We got the Monster Hunters here, which got a finalist pin at the same competition the same year, 50th anniversary, in the Fantasy Squad, and they got finalist pin. These are the Monster Hunters. This is the starter set minis. These are actually on Signum's website. A lot of these paint jobs that I've done. And at the moment, before I move on to that, we've also got these that have just, I've only just done a couple of the ones coming up. There is a set behind these. I need to get around to finishing them because they were lovely. But anyway, really, the point of the video, although I will get to the point of the title of the video, the point of the video is actually just to promote their Kickstarter, because I've done some work with them in the past, and Jimmy the Brush is their content manager, and I am friends with Jimmy, so I got sent a model from this new Kickstarter, the Fair of Wonders Kickstarter. I'll put the link in the description. Sorry about any blurring of the screen. Just teething problems with getting used to doing 4K rendering. Anyway, and just 4K production of videos, which this video should in theory be. Yeah, there's Jimmy in the list of the team. They're the community manager. This is the video. Oh, is this going to come out all grainy because of the way it rendered? This is the model I painted. And this is their little 3D render of it, spinning around. And I haven't gotten around to basing him. I was going to put him in a fancy box where he was actually in his own barbers. That might come at a later date. There might be another video for that here or on the Mini Madcap channel. I'm not sure. This is what I've ended up with. Went for a sort of slightly green blue non-metallic. The idea is I'll use that green blue in his barber shop to make it look like it's reflecting its environment a bit. Not sure. We will see. Got a big comb on his back. It's a fun model to paint. It was one of those Signum minis that kind of paints themselves, and that's really the point of the video that I want to get to before it ends, is that, you know, you're all probably used to painting GW minis all the time. I found when I painted Signum minis particularly, some of them, I'll admit, were quite challenging, but you've seen the results. They're some of the best results I've ever made. So I feel like I leveled up and reached new plateaus in my painting journey, painting minis from Signum Games. So you might too. Go check out their Kickstarter. Links in the description. Like, subscribe, and of course remember, nicely painted miniatures perform better on the battlefield. If you enjoyed that episode of Beyond the Box Art, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. And if it pleases you to procure one of my painted pieces, you can peruse the eBay shop. And if you really enjoy the content, you can support me directly at ko-fi.com/beyondtheboxart.